Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com, here with a special edition kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Oh, we've got a treat for you today inside of our helmet garage. This is some showy gold-plated goodness, my man. You gotta be like Marc Marquez to earn a helmet like this. You can't even buy this with all the money in the world. And it reminds me of the cover of the Helmet House catalog. We'd like to congratulate Helmet House on their 50th anniversary. Bob Miller, Phil Bellamy, and the entire team over at Helmet House. My man Rick Choate, you guys have been valued partners of STG. You're a staple in the motorcycle industry. We appreciate all the hard work that you all put in and want to congratulate you on your 50th anniversary, and we look forward to working with you for the next 50.